bitch, I can tell, trust me. Now, what's your name?
G-Love.
G-Love. And where are you from, G-Love?
Vancouver, Canada.
Alright, really nice to meet you, G-Love. Alright, these are our 4 contestants. Let's do this. Let's have 2 of you over here. My little Asian and my little black man. Lesbian, come over here. And straightforward, you get over there, don't worry. You're not going to turn gay. It's good, don't worry. It means love. At least that's what my uncle told me when he fucked me. Louisiana, you can do that. You can do that, Louisiana. It's fine. So listen, I gotta say this. The amazing thing about doing Drag Race is that you get to go and do events like this and meet all these amazing people. But the bad side of it is that every fucking fag has an opinion of what you should have done, what you should do, what your hair was like. Everybody's a goddamn critic, thanks to Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. So tonight, these 4 contestants will be here to show me that you are more talented than I could ever possibly be. These 4 people will now have to lip sync for their lives. You can do this! You can do this! Look at your competition! You look at these people, you think, is it a competition or a fucking bus